Words of advice and encouragement. Trigger finger, say the mid hot. Another road, none of fire wild shot. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Who are issue contract? Feed the killing, them go shoot up the black. Stop, 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 stop.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, lion and lioness. Welcome to Lion Foot TV. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Yes, man, it's another day, another vlog. You know what I mean? So give thanks to life. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing. You know what I mean? Click the bell if you do so. And press the like button so, you know what I mean, let the channel grow. All of the originals on the platform, big up on yourself. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know. This episode we're going to talk about another day, the same situation in Jamaica. Brains are get clapped with. Someone brain clap out, you know what I mean? My viewers and subscribers. Boy, I tell a star, a man get him crown. Lift off a tree, New Kingston, bus stop there so. Near Skateland there. And one part of the... You see what I'm saying? Boy, my viewers and subscribers, I tell you, wicked out there. You see me? Wicked out there. But I don't know the routine, how we do the thing over here. We take a quick intermission, then we forward back. You see it?
All who the on the line and a chop. And have man lay a pop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. The friendship code crack. Friend a stop, friend not back. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. We say stop, 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 stop. Zine, when you can watch the full, listen to the full song, you know what I mean? And my channel, I-Maric. You see me, I say, I get some crazy feedback from the song. You see me, I say, people are saying, I should do it a long time, and people are saying the song bad, and you know what I mean? So I do a little snippet of the video, just a 40 seconds. You know what I mean? I'm just edit it up and thing, and you know? We're just being creative, exercising the talent, you know what I mean, and showing how creative we are, and we are capable, you know what I mean? And for just make everybody know so we have the talent. Seeing so big up all the artists them out there with it, you know what I mean? We have the talent. Let's exercise it and use it up. See? Yes, man. Some of viewers and subscribers. My brother had a half a tree. Yesterday Sunday, man get him brain clap way. You don't know, we're going to show a local footage on. But you don't know YouTube. You see me, can't show the thing brawling, you know? Yes, man, but it's sad, man. Condolence to the family, them. I don't know him, but I don't know. I saw Lion Foot do the thing over here. We always like to talk and see if we can educate and, you know what I mean, infiltrate the evil minds of the youths, them, and counsel the youths, them. You see me? Yes, man. So, boy, I tell you, the man brawling in the daylight, you know. The man got him brains crumbs out. I tell my viewers, yo, I tell you, boy, them people here, them wicked. Them now all amaze my viewers and subscribers. Yes, man. I'm for sure, so right now, this room, I say, no jailhouse, no dead house. I do that song up on the Jenna Bunks with him. I'm going to look a piece.
IGP, get some cargo, get some stick. Make we build up some sign quick. Circle every town and every district and tell them this. Like a dead clock, all war must stop. Don't kill nobody at the bus stop. Think before you act, your Glock no bust that. Life you can't buy now.
Think before you act, your Glock no bust that. Like a dead clock, all war must stop. Don't kill nobody at the bus stop. Yes, sir, me are showing my viewers and subscribers. Me sing that 2018, you know. are things we are going in real life. I don't know people can relate. And that's how I sing, write songs that people can relate to. Things that surround me and people that I know, people close to me. You know what I mean? Someone out there in the world can relate. And that is how I try to create when I'm writing, you know what I mean? And recording. But when I say stop the crime, the man get him brain crumbs out. And you say, the people I say, I be a headshot him. One line brains comes out. So it look like say a program run. Yeah, it look like say a program run and them would all wait till him turn up our place and man just ride on a bike. Cause the young, you know. Again. I that be say that the song, you know. It man, ride out, yang, pull up, loan bang bang. I'm gonna look a piece.
Hit man, ride out, yang, pull up, loan bang bang. Everybody get wet, all children. Here say a friend pay, fi kill friend. Bro God, same can't stand them. Fed up, him woulda love fi hang them. Find him alone, them a cause problem. Senseless killing him condemn.
You see it? Everybody get wet, all chill, but this time I am alone get wet. I see the people them I notice at Jamaica right now, it becomes the norm. I don't know if you observe that, my viewers and subscribers. It becomes the norm right now where people are not even scared no more. As them see a man or a woman drops up on the ground, they gonna look, gather around. Them never afraid no more, like, you know? Yes, man, may I tell you a story, it's sad though. Sad, it's bad, you know? I just want to say no condolence to the family them of that person, individual who passed away, drop out, you see it? Yes, man, I said, we don't wish death upon no one around here. I just tell you themselves, live good and clean, star, and stop the crime, man. And so I say, my viewers and subscribers, for real, man. And to all my fellow Jamaicans them out there, boy, just be careful, you know, friends, families. Just be careful, try to safe, as me always say, be careful when you talk around, be careful what you say around people. People will go back and say what you never say. And end up and get pre, and I don't know where the pre-ments come from. You see me as my viewers and subscribers, so. And for the youths them again, the killy them, the hearted them, just be careful, stop the crime, man, stop the crime, please. Stop the crime. You know what I mean? We say stop. Boy, my viewers and subscribers, it's sad, man. And it's sad, really sad, and that's, you don't know. It's a quick update that for me to know where I'm going on the ground. You see me I say? Yes, man. Yeah. You see me? For real, man. Sad, man. Just see, yo, I tell my viewers and subscribers, boy. Every day I pray for my family them. And talk to my brother them and say, don't mix up, you see me? Careful who you are surround yourself around. Just go to work, come in and, you know what I mean? Still you can chill out with your friend them, but you see it? I know the garrison run. Scary out there, man. But I love us the same way, you see it? So big up all the good people, all the bad people, everybody. Peace and love. You don't know I with another vlog. We are doing it on our boss, now brag. Man, don't forget to like and share the content. Help the channel grow. Yeah, but the more you click the bell, and the more YouTube put it out there. You know, like the button, click the like button, and the more YouTube put it out there. So I'm saying, yeah, man, we are aiming for 10K subscribers now. So big up everybody on the platform. You know your support is highly appreciated every time. Saying, yes, man, I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
All who they on the line and a chop. And have man lay a pop. Stop. The friendship code crack. Friend a stop, friend not back. Stop.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.